We're here today because we are launching the Santam Insurance Barometer, and it's a report that really looks at the risk landscape of South Africa and also how that relates to global risks, as well as how that impacts in terms of claims and the short-term insurance market.
Our Insurance Barometer is not just a report about Santam, it's an opportunity for us to explore the trends that are happening in our insurance industry, understand directly from our consumers, both personal lines, commercial and corporate, what things are on top of their mind.
Understanding from a sectoral point of view, or understanding just in terms of the different risks and how these have been playing itself out, over the past couple of years.
Also helps us to gauge what they need from an insurance industry and how do we make sure that we continually adapt and change and implement new risk measures to help them with various risks that they're exposed to.
So what does this year's barometer speak about? It outlines the key risks that we experience in South Africa from a consumer perspective, from a corporate commercial perspective, and also what it means for society in general.
We're not looking at copy-paste scenarios here. There are unique sets of risks that need to be catered for in the current environment.
The number of vehicles stolen in 2022 was 632% more than the number of vehicles stolen in 2019.
And power surge has been also increasing quite significantly over the last 3 years, which is 2020, 21, 22, and 2022.
Climate change, impact of floods on property claims in particular, property under real pressure at the moment, and certain areas of our country becoming really problematic to insure.
Communities are becoming vulnerable, and this obviously threatens the risk protection gap, because then this means that there is the likelihood of increase in premiums, but also leaving communities in a position of not being able to secure themselves or to insure their valuable assets.
And so all of this is to say, this report tries to outline what the industry needs to do. We need to understand what the market realities are and actually adapt to those changing market realities.
Digital and technology services fundamentally becoming important because you have to change the way you do business. You have to be smarter, you have to have your better insight on your risk, you have to have better insight of your customer value proposition, better client journeys. Everything is under pressure.
And our ability to consume large amounts of data allows us to do so many things now that we couldn't do in the past.
With Santam being an insurer for 105 years, that in itself just speaks to the scale of data that it has access to, and that it has the ability to analyze and understand, and therefore set up products and services appropriately.
Digital tools give you reach, they give you scale, they give you the ability to engage with your clients at levels never seen before, but also enable self-service and efficiency, ease of quote and ease of servicing.
One of the key things for us is how do we expose that to our clients? How do we help them, both in the commercial and the personal space, through the use of apps and technologies that actually gives them the information at their fingertips.
And in particular, ensure that what they need, they have. What they don't need, they don't need to pay for.
We don't have all the answers. But any answer, or any research, or any solution must start with a really good in-depth understanding of the problem.
And what Santam has done is led critical discussions since then that need to take place in order to ensure a sustainable future for all South Africans.